do a scarf for a man, for a boy, and we're gonna need 2 yarn and 5 mm crochet hook and scissors. So let's go, guys. Let's start. This one is very easy. So we're going to do our slip knot, as simple as that, and chain 1 to 30. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So what we're gonna do first is double crochet on, we're going to skip 1 2 and 3. So we're gonna skip 2 stitch or loop or chain, 2 chain, and double crochet on the 1 loop of the chain 3. Okay, and do all the double crochet all the way till the end of our chain until we reach on our first chain here. So do the double crochet. I'll show you. So here we go, guys. I finished double crochet on my first chain, and then just chain 1 2 3 and turn your work. And then what we're going to do, instead of double crochet on these 2 loops, we're going to do is insert your hook under that stitch. It's like that, double crochet, and another one, instead of under, this time we're going to do it here on top. Insert your hook on top of that crochet, put your hook at the back of this project, and on top of that second stitch, and get the yarn, pull through 2 loops and 2 loops. That's our second double crochet, but it's this chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet, so we are on our 3 counts. So alternate we're going to do is, this time, since our last stitch is on top of crochet stitch, so this time we're going to do insert our hook in between of the stitch and under the stitch, like that. So we're going to do the same alternate, this time on top, and we're doing that until here. I'll show you later. So on our second row, I'm finished this. I'm on the last 2 stitches, but instead what we're going to do, our last, here we're going to do the last 2 stitches. We're going to do the under double crochet, and then here we have to double crochet on these 2 loops. Instead of doing that on under or on top, it should be on 2 loops. So our both side will be the same as the other side. So after that, chain 3 and turn your works. So this time, since this is from under, under the stitch, we're going to insert at the back the hook in between and on top. So they have the same stitches. And here also we're going to do under the stitch. So just follow the pattern. What you did here, since this is return the project, so we are the same line that they are balanced. It's all of this side will be all in under, and this side is on top. Okay, I hope you get that. But this one is so easy. Once you started the stitch, it will be easy for you. Even the new beginner or the beginner crocheter that is starting to learn how to crochet will get this kind of stitch, because this one is so easy, and it's basic double crochet stitch, and all you need to do is under the stitch and on top of the stitch you're doing the double crochet. So just like what I did, I just followed the stitches what's on my last row, so they have the same pattern until end. So we're just going to do the same stitches all the way and until we reach our desired length for our scarf. Okay, and I'll get back to you if I reach my desired length for my scarf. See, this is how it will turn out. To stitch, it's back and forth. So here we go, guys. I think this length is enough for my scarf. So what I'm going to do, this is my last stitch. Just chain 1. Wait, I'll show you again. Is chain 1. Just the same stitch actually, and the length is enough. Just cut the yarn and make it a little bit longer as the other. So let's see. So is this enough? Little bit longer. Just cut the yarn like this, and the remaining, this is the leftover yarn that I have here, the same color, or it's up to you if you can combine 2 colors is good, but for now I'm going to give it as a gift. And this one, what I'm going to do to here, both sides, just cut the yarn same length, same size of this, and make it like that. Cut the yarn. So cut as many. No, I'll just show you. I think 3 is enough. 3. Let's see if 3 is enough. Same measurement as you go along for this your as for edging here. Every stitch, not every stitch, like one hole in between here, and then skip 1, and then here again, and then skip 1, and then here again, alternate, just like what I did here. This is what it looked like. But you want to make many yarn on the bottom or for your edging here of your scarf. It's up to you, but for me, I think 3 is enough. And then fold it to 2 and insert it here in between of the stitch, just like this, and fold it just like that, and every hole in between of that edge or corner of your scarf, and then skip 1 and do it here 2 again and skip 1, just like that. So easy, guys. So that's it, it's done.